2. You already know it's your boy back at it again with another banger. It's episode 2 of the Audi A4. You already know what time it is, man. Before anything, y'all already know on the first episode what we needed to get on with the bill. You already know what time it is, you know. See, all right, y'all. So, you know what I'm saying? I finally got one of the parts that I needed for the build. It's right here, which is the core support, the radiator support technically. I got it right here. I was gonna wait to open it for y'all so y'all can open it with me, but I got too excited. You already know. I got too excited, way too excited. You already know. Got this baby right here. You already know, man. Let me tell you something. Honestly, I was gonna wait, you know, and get a used part. You feel me? Get it from a junkyard. But the reason why I didn't do it, because why wait? Pay the few extra dollars that you don't have. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I did. I went ahead and paid a little extra amount of money for it and got it off eBay. eBay always come in clutch. This was supposed to come Tuesday, I believe. Tuesday or Wednesday. But it came today, bro. That shit is amazing. That's the best part of it. So y'all already know I'm finna take this back here. Look what's sitting right there. Yup. The baby. But you already know we're finna go back here. Right. That battery dead. I can't even show you the car. Do nothing with the car, but there she is. Sitting pretty all the way back here. Collecting dust. Y'all already know what time it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here. And boom. So I gotta make sure it's seat right. You know what I'm saying? Come up here. Ooh. Ooh. Also, I gotta get a hood because this one is down for. But I haven't been able to find one, and I sure don't want to pay $400 for it. I like half of the people selling on Facebook. It's not happening. It's $400. I'm not paying it. I'd rather wait till I get it from the junkyard for $100 or less. You feel me? So y'all already know. Look what's over there. Look, somebody peeping through the window. I can't even zoom in on the video. What? Okay, all right. Well, can't zoom it in so I can show you who's over there. Which I already showed you that over there. But boom, let me show you again in case y'all don't know what's going on. See, radiator support is done for. Radiator itself, and I think that whatever this is right now, I can't think, that needs to be replaced. Also, the hood needs to be replaced, most definitely. But other than that, I mean, I got everything. Honestly, I just gotta go ahead and take everything out. So I'm finna go ahead and take this out for y'all and show you what's going on. I don't got too much space over here, but I'm gonna do the best I can. So stay with me, y'all. Stay with me. But I did clean the interior a little bit. And so y'all, interior is fairly clean now. You know what I'm saying? I got the headlights in the back, which I gotta clean too. One got a crack on it, but it's gonna be like that for now, bro. Cause you know what I'm saying? Out here, man. We ain't got no time for all that. We ready to get this thing rolling, man. So let me get with y'all in a minute. Let me show you what's going on. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the front bumper out. They go right here. Not complaining because I'm gonna be changing the grill. It's messed up, so I'm gonna be changing that. This front bumper's still in really good condition. There's nothing, you know, nothing too crazy about it. The damage is not, you know, within the bumper or nothing. It's just the grill. So you already know, definitely keeping that bumper because there's no point of buying a new one. Now, let me go ahead if I show y'all what I'm doing. Gotta remove this. Believe it or not, right now I'm not sure whether this part right here comes with the radiator and whatnot, or if it just mushed up in there, or whatever the case may be. I'm pretty sure it don't, but either way, I'm gonna have to just get a new one. if anything. So, oh well. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the support off and see what's popping. All right, y'all, come with me, come with me. Let's go get this. Let's go get this. All right. Let's see if we find that 12. That's a 13 milliliter. Say 11. Just not it. See, here's my problem with sockets. I'm always losing in joints. Always. I can never find one to save my life. I'm always struggling. Always. Every single time I'm working in the car. Dígame. Creo que sí. Creo. Never. Let's see if one of this will work, cause I don't know where my 12 is at. So I'm finna go ahead. We're gonna do what we gotta do, y'all. It's hot as hell outside. All right. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and took the crash bar off. It took me a while to figure it out. Not to figure it out, but to take the little one of the horns connectors. Oh, they got me messed up with that. But that's finally, y'all. I don't think I have to remove the intercooler for that, but I don't know. I just might. I'm not sure. I've never done this before. It's gonna be my first time. Excuse me, I swear that I look like a bum, but it is what it is. I'm working. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and get with y'all in a minute. You already know, you feel me? Stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Coming back in like 2 seconds. All right, yeah, hold on. I gotta get an extension because this joker don't want to come off. I got almost everything on. It's just too much stuff, bro. Honestly, it's a lot, way too much stuff. You gotta. All right, yeah, I'm back. She's finally out, bro. She got a whole bunch of going on, man. I gotta clean it out, but the radiator support is finally out. So here's the radiator, intercooler and all that. I'm stupid ass. This is the old cooler, but it's all good though. You know, I'm a dumbass. Excuse my. I've been up since 5 in the morning today, so and it's what probably like 2, 3 in the afternoon. I'm a little thought off. I'm a little hungry and all that, but hey, she's finally out. Finna go ahead and pop this bad boy in. First of all, I'm gonna clean this off a little bit. It got way too much oil residue and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that out. And I already know. She's coming back and better, bro. She's coming way stronger than this. Believe me. Believe that. Gotta change that. I did the oil change. I never changed that, so we're gonna see how that goes. If I take it out and I don't spill too much oil, I'll do change it. If not, it's gonna stay there until the next oil change, because I'm gonna have to do another one anyway. So not the big of a deal. So yeah, look at me. I'm tired. It's hot as hell, but it's so good though, because we're gonna get it done. We're gonna put the frame back in today. Possibly put the headlights back in, and yeah, pretty much that, because I have to wait for the radiator to get here. Also, which is gonna be in another video, and this bad boy too, the grill. I gotta wait for the grill to get in, and yeah, you see what it was, bro. It's toe up. It's weird how the car got hit, because the car only got hit with the hood and the top of all that. It was just, you could tell on the radiator right there. So it's kind of weird, but well, it didn't happen. Sorry, y'all. To take this out, you gotta take these 3 bolts. You gotta take all of these hoses from both sides and on this side. Gotta take the connector to the fan, the radiator fans. Bro, you gotta take way too much. Gotta take the hood hinge or whatever that is called, whatever that's called. So yeah, pretty much though, you gotta do a whole bunch of shit. But finally got it done. I'm finna go ahead and button it up. Clean that up first, then I'm gonna put everything back up. So I'm gonna show you once I put it on and everything how. Boy, I look crazy. Look at this, man. Alright, boys, I'm finna be back. I'm finna go grab me something to eat real quick. Whew. I'm definitely tired, but I gotta finish this out today. Most definitely got to, because I got a little surprise for y'all. I got a new build coming. I can't tell you what it is, but it's a drift build. Going full sand on this one for sure. Actually, it's one of the cars I always wanted to work with, and boom, it's coming in hot, boy. I'm telling you. Once I got this car running, it's already running. Once I got it all buttoned up, headlights, hood, and everything else, I'm gonna start focusing on the other one. Not necessarily focus, because I'm gonna be working on both. I'm gonna be posting on both. Look at that. Stop playing with it. Stop playing with it. You see that back there? I don't wanna know about that. But I'm gonna definitely be working on a new build as soon as it comes. Believe it or not, I'm going crazy with it. I'm going crazy. You know what I'm saying? I'd give you a hint on what it could be. Legit though, I didn't even know that. I just did. But I'm gonna see you boys back in a minute, and girls. I'm gonna see you in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and go grab me something to eat, because your boy is tired. You feel me? Tired. Look. Even my arm picked the sweat. Look at the hands. Look at it. See, hard-working man. Get you on like this, ladies. Get you on like me. Hard-working man. By no means, I ain't a mechanic. Ooh. What? Mechanic. Excuse my language. I'm all over the place. I barely speak English. I barely speak Spanish. I barely speak French. So either way, I'm fucked, alright? But I'm trying. Feel me? I am trying, y'all. Definitely trying. So, but let's stop saying all that. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get this food. We're looking good. She's on, baby. She's on. I'm trying to get her like right where it was. Like literally right out the middle where it was. But we gonna see once I put everything back together, because for whatever reason it's not. But we get in there though. We get in there for sure. I should have put that thing in there first, but it's all good. I'm gonna find a way to put it on without having to do anything else. Taking it up. Yep, I can do it today. Alright. Try to put that back on first. That way I can put everything else but the radiator on, like the headlights and whatnot. So I can see, how it look, if it's more strained out, whatever the case may be. So All right, let me continue. And I'm gonna get with y'all boys and girls in a minute. I'm gonna be right back. All right, y'all. It's getting very dark, and it's only so much that I can do, cause my smart ass just realized that I ordered a radiator without a condenser. So, you know, either way I couldn't do that because I still gotta wait for the radiator to get here anyways. So I'm just gonna go ahead and order that condenser as well, because that one is messed up. It's nothing I can do with it. And I honestly don't feel like putting it on and, you know, pointless mess on shit up just because I want to be cheap. So far everything is buttoned up the right way. I still got to put the bolts up here. Boom, boom, easy, no problem. And pretty much, man, she looked a lot better than she did, I'm not gonna lie. So hopefully once everything is good, I got everything I need, I can just button it up and put everything back up. Flush the coolant, since I already flushed it, you know, put the new coolant in, bleed the right way. So yeah, that's pretty much, that's all I can do. That condenser right here is beat the fuck up. So there's nothing I can do about it. Excuse my language, but I'm really tired. Trying my best. I got the stuff in the back seat because I don't have nowhere to put it, so, and I feel like nobody's stealing that stuff. So the fans are good, that's a good thing. The intercooler is I feel good as well. So, you know, that's good. At least I know I don't have to replace anything else. The radiator is done. It was still holding water, but I don't trust it because it was leaking from somewhere and I don't know where, but I don't even care because I'm just not going to use it. You know, I already ordered another one. And this got to go. Other than that, that's pretty much it, man. I know I probably look a mess. I probably got a whole bunch of grease all over my face, but it is what it is. You feel me? All right? Y'all be good. Y'all be safe. And I'll see you on the next one.